So good day guys, welcome. If your Whirlpool washing machine with sixth sense is acting up, maybe it's stuck on a cycle, flashing error codes, or just won't start, you're in the right place. Let's begin. So firstly, unplug the washing machine from the wall, leave it unplugged for about 1 minute. This allows the control board to power cycle. After that, plug it back in. Depending on your model, you may need to run a manual reset. To do that, rotate the program dial clockwise 1 full turn, then turn it to the 12 o'clock position. From there, turn the dial counterclockwise 1 click, then clockwise 3 clicks, counterclockwise 1, and finally 1 click clockwise again. It sounds weird, but if done correctly, all the lights on your control panel should flash. After that, press start to begin a reset or calibration cycle. The machine will take a minute or two to reset and recalibrate the sensors. And that's pretty much it. Your Whirlpool sixth sense washer should now be reset and ready to go. If the issue continues, it could be a hardware problem, but most of the time, a reset like this does the trick. If this helped, like the video and of course subscribe for more quick guides. See you in the next one.